Okay, this shows the temperature at night in degrees Fahrenheit. Must be a pretty cold place, definitely not Florida, but someplace. Oh, and the x-axis label says hours after 8 p.m. So at 8 p.m. it's 30 degrees. 2 hours after 8 p.m., so at 10 p.m. it's 10 degrees. At midnight, 4 hours after 8 p.m., at midnight it's the coldest at 10 degrees below zero. And then slowly the temperature starts to go up until, 12 hours after 8 p.m. would be 8 a.m. in the morning, back up above zero, but still pretty chilly, 10 degrees. So here's the graph. It's telling a story about how the temperature changes over the course of an evening. And we've got two different slopes. We've got this negative slope for all the times from 8 p.m. until midnight, and then we have the positive slope where the temperature starts to increase from midnight to 8 a.m. So the rate for the first 4 hours, we'll find the change in y over the change in x using this point and this point. My change in y, it starts at 30 degrees and ends up at negative 10. That's a change of 40 degrees, but it's going down, so negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's down 30 just to get to zero, and down 10 more to get to negative 10, so negative 40. This is a good time to remind you that 30 minus negative 10 is the same as 30 plus 10. That's why it's going down 40 degrees. And then the change in x would be two units to the right, 2 jumps, but each jump represents 2 hours. So I'm going from 0 hours to 4 hours, so that's positive 4 hours. 40 divided by 4 is 10, and a negative divided by positive is negative, so this is negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. And we can kind of see that, like after if this is 2 hours, this is 1 hour. It goes from 30 degrees to 20 degrees in the first hour, then it goes down 10 more degrees in the next hour. So you can sort of see that negative 10 degrees. It's dropping by 10 degrees Fahrenheit each hour from 8 p.m. to midnight. And there it is right there. The rate for the next 8 hours, when the temperature is increasing, we'll use this point and this point. Delta y over delta x, it goes from negative 10 degrees to positive 10 degrees. So that's an increase of 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the hours increase from 4 hours after 8 p.m. to 12 hours after 8 p.m. So that's plus 8. Positive 8 hours. 20 divided by 8 is the same as 5 divided by 2, aka 2.5. So 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Positive 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour, indicating that the temperature is increasing 2.5 degrees each hour. And there it is right there. Now, I didn't cross off every one as we went, but I know the answer to this riddle. Here's what you should have left at the end. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, this one, and this one. And so what does it take to win a tug of war? A, B, U, N, C, H, O, F, B, I, G, J, E, R, K, S. Here's where the words are. A bunch of big jerks. Jerks has dual meaning. And therein lies the humor. Thank you. See you later.